Hello everyone. We have REDRAGON Fizz K617 RGB USB mini mechanical gaming keyboard, red switch, 61 keys, detachable. Wired cable, portable for travel. Technical specifications: key switches, red switches, USB connector, USB-C cable, keyboard connectivity. Wired layout, 61 keys, full rollover adjust. And detachable cable mean more room to roam and easy travel to any gaming or gaming party around the world. Non-slip support when you're in the middle of intense gameplay. The non-slip feet will keep your keyboard firmly in place. Slim fresh K617, REDRAGON's new 60% design wired keyboard. In a refreshing style with a no-brainer value deal, 61 compact keys with selected keys. Dedicated for FPS gamers and efficient work. To buy the keyboard, you should visit the link installed in the first comment.